You know, I had to do the long form version of the bike meet that was in Dallas. And it's going down out here. You can hear these guys. We're talking about revving it up. You got K-Rides right there. This is me on the way. I didn't have my freaking X3 mount for the bike when I was actually riding. It broke, so didn't get some of the best content I could have got. But what I did get should make y'all guys happy out here. So I'm just waltzing through the very first place that we went to, showing y'all a few of these cool little bikes. These guys talking to K-Rides, didn't know who it was. And of course, and this mask, I love this mask because I got my DJI mic sitting in my chin area, so you can actually hear it pretty good. So I'm sure y'all guys know this chick too. She likes to ride. Going into the little store, never been in here before.
You always say that.
So apparently everybody already knows this place. I've never heard of it, never seen it. Then again, I'm new to this, so I'm in here just trying to check stuff out, and I got people pushing me out the way. Look, very rude. Hey, it's all good. Now these jackets are beasts. Way too expensive. My boy right here, Jake, he was looking at me because my inspection went out in 2023, and I was like, hey bro, I got insurance, so like don't even trip. And all bikers welcome. You see, got one coming out. A lot of them had actually already left. Right here we're already at Fuel City. We're finna just go ride out. Dude had the Ninja ZX10R. My boy here on the R3. So what? And see, this bike thing is apparently a Harley. Didn't look like it to me. This is a Harley right here, baby. Don't even belong with the street, guys, but still riding with him. Like I said, super unfortunate. I did not get footage of me riding with the boys down to Fort Worth and back. Alright, now everybody's pulling up. Everybody's pulling up to the second spot. Everyone's supposed to meet up at 7. Way more people are still gonna come. Oh yeah. Nothing but street bikes. Getting it in. Oh boy, over here decked out with the Spider-Man bike. Alright, moment you've been waiting for. Everybody's here, and I'm finna walk around with the 360 and get all these bikes. So make sure that y'all check it. Make sure that you drop a comment for your favorite bike that you've seen out here. Share to your friends. We're out in Dallas, Texas with it. Alright, I shouldn't even be here with the style bike I had. Doesn't even matter. I still pulled up. Had to get the content for you guys, all you bike lovers out there. Have something to look at. Now the glare is kind of in the way. You know, this guy here, dude's walking around no shirt on, like he ain't even that swole. Simmer down a bit. Before you walk around with no shirt, you gotta make sure that you're pretty much looks like you're on steroids. You can't just be popping out here no shirt like you really just the man like that. All right, moving on. So we got these people aimlessly walking around. Got this bike over here to the left side. Those look clean as purple. I don't know what this car is doing. Those two bikes, pretty freaking nice. There's so many freaking bikes here. All along this line. We're about to walk down. This bad boy is pretty cool too. Might be a BMW actually. All down this line. This thing is full of freaking bikes. I mean, you're seeing everything that you probably have looked at in a magazine, something your homeboy has, something you wish you had. My boy right here, met him from Waco. We was riding out. My man rode down here from Waco, and we ended up linking. So you got Groms out here. I mean, you got freaking Hawk looking bikes out here, Yamahas, Ninja, Ducatis, freaking you name it. These things are out here. Now, I may have seen a few Hayabusas. Also, this is the only other guy, I didn't even get him. Was the only other guy I actually saw in a Harley. He was all by himself, like, and I know why. He didn't fit in. But right up here, all the cool street bikes, you'll see my Harley posted up in the midst. There it is. It belongs. Chromed out the game, as it should be. Freaking sticking out like a sore thumb, as I am. So, it was pretty live here. As you can see, people are admiring this pink bike. My boy Jake has a thing for the one on the pink bike. Got this orange bike here. Pretty player. Dudes just posted up, standing around, chopping it up with each other. You know, seeing what they got in the bike. I kind of like these Hawks back here. I don't know if they're actually Hawks. They look like 450 dirt bikes. They just rode out here. I don't even know if they're street legal. Had a couple Groms over here. A couple people doing some wheelies. Didn't really see too much burnout. So that's the only bad thing is I saw tons of wheelies and minimum rolling burnouts. This bad boy is stretched at least 2-3 feet. Really nice. And I really like that bike. Wouldn't buy it. I'm sure it'd be way too dang expensive. Someone gave it to me, then I'll probably have it. May sell it, get something more practical. This is a very nice bike, but what we're gonna do is go on the inside and check out what's going on inside the shop right now. Of course, this was hosted by Clean Enough. It was like they be having bike meets just about everywhere. So feast your eyes on these bad boys right here. Feast. This is in the shop. My first time in here. I'm just kind of looking lost. This one would be way better if it didn't have the American flag. I mean, that kind of throws it off if you ask me. Now, I'm from America too, but I don't love the flag that much to put it on my bike. Got a Ducati here, BMW right there. This bad boy is stretched out the game, but not actually hooked up. The chain was super sloppy. I was like, why is that thing hanging there? But I know why. It's just a freaking model, but I would think if you got the model in there, you want to pull that bad boy out every now and then and do something with it. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to walk around a little bit more. Oh, here's goes Spidey right here. My boy was cooking in that Spidey suit. Guaranteed. That bad boy is all leather. And it was at least 96 degrees outside. My man was simmering in that suit. Here is his bike. I mean, it matches his suit. Now, although it's cool, I don't know if I could go home and peel off that suit by the time I got home. So, we're going to keep on looking. I mean, you could just feast your eyes. It had to been at least minimum 500 bikes out here. And I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, man. We got tons of freaking bikes on here. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe to the channel. And follow for more videos.